Hey everybody, this is Craig from Teeny Tier, and today I'm going to be playing some mid-range Hunter. So let's go and have a few games and see how it goes. Alright, let's go into game 1 against Shaman. Come on, some 1-drops. Hey, awesome.
Job's done.
Oh, okay. Ah well. Can't get lucky every time.
Mind if I roll need?
Job's done.
Let's get some damage in. Oh, okay. Yeah, we got plays.
This beast
Play
will
this one.
not be tamed.
Ooh, always love this card, but I think we need early game stuff. Yeah, this and this will be good later. Nice wee Rat Pack High Master combo.
Let the pain speak to me.
Okay, this guy wants to maintain board, it seems. Oh, okay. Well, let's throw out this guy anyway.
Bear arms.
It's alright stats, I guess.
Mind if I roll need?
Another lit border. I wonder what this deck is.
To my side.
There we go. Let's see, unless he evolves all these, we Rex our move next would be good. Oh, I think we're neutral anyway. Okay. We'll see what he does. So we got either this, or I can bring out this and maybe a weapon. We'll see.
My undead body.
Ooh, that's a good card. Let's not destroy this. Don't want to face down 8/8 skeleton right now, and oh, that's unfortunate. Oh well. Okay, well next turn we got Rat Pack High Master combo. I have to be really careful with this, I can't kill this during my turn. Or I'm gonna bother.
I'll let the dogs out. Down!
Let's go face. It's giving him no benefit right now anyway. Oh, another devolve. Wow, okay. Oh no.
My undead body.
Well, that's quite unfortunate. Well, 2 of these now, okay, so I cannot board wipe right now at all. Well, that's just delightful. That's pretty good though. And it's good. What are we gonna get? Oh, can't use it though. All enemies, so that would be his. Oh, it's barbarian. Alright. Right. We're gonna go for it.
The eternal hunt has begun.
Love to deal with these idiots. That's game. Oh yeah, we're game. Haha.
Well then.
Oh good. Nice wee game 1. Alright. Game 2.
Versus
And Dread. Great.
Must protect the wild.
So much
Let
Dread
the
right now.
hunt begin.
Not bad. Got my curve already. Oh, I really have my curve already. Okay. Oh! Oh! Haven't seen Question in a long time. That's interesting. Okay. Haven't seen this deck at all, this expansion.
The land serves me.
Okay, mate, you only have 2 cards in hand, so. See what we're doing.
Trust the keep I have. To my side.
Oh, lovely.
Dear. The better to eat you with.
Ah, you got the nourish. Well, that's his turn over now, so I maintain these 2 unless he has some 1 mana card I don't know about. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Oh, right, yeah, okay, that's why I'm playing that. That's one of why I searched for that one.
I wonder.
Ah, chuck it out.
Run away.
Get over and done with. Oh, that's pretty good. And that is a nice wee top deck. That is a very nice top deck. Let's leave on this one. Wish you could do the other one, but ah well.
Run away.
Let's see, I've got a bit of removal here. I can also crystal into Bone Mare if necessary. Also have Rexar play. Oh, that's pretty good. Okay, well let's hit his board.
The eternal hunt has begun.
Ugh.
Run away.
Jesus, swipe, I'm a bother. He doesn't have swipe. That's not swipe. Okay. Okay, just 4 more to go. He's in kill command range now, even if he does get big 20. Ah. Very unfortunate. There's 5 damage. There's something else big.
I wonder.
Let's do this. Oh. Go for something bigger. Oh well. Yeah, whatever. That'll do. Yeah, he doesn't have much hand. He's got 3 in hand he can do here with 8 mana. That's not great. That's fine. Oh, damn. Oh, that's unfortunate. Oh, that would have been good. Oh well.
I'll let the dogs out.
Get the dogs out, awesome.
This beast will not be tamed. Run away.
Your magic shall not save.
Aww. Oh no, that's not very nice. Okay. Two cards in hand. They're all free now. All this guy needs is a good draw card, and he's probably got it, but we'll see. If I can maintain a good lot of this board and him not gain massive amounts of armor. Ooh. Oh, he can hear about it for game. Oh, damn. Oh, well. Oh, tiny game there. Oh, okay, whatever. Anyway. Alright, let's go have another game. Alright. And this time we got Shaman again. Okay.
For Doomhammer, let the hunt begin.
I like it. I like it. It's good ham. Combine 1, 2, 3, pretty good.
Greetings, friend.
Hello.
Greetings, traveler. The teeth I have.
This is quite nice. Ooh, what's this gonna be? Red totem. Oh no, okay.
will not be
Let's
tamed.
see. Probably that. I'll leave that for now. Oh. No, from when I should have attacked.
To eat you
Oh well.
Run away.
Ah, thank goodness. Okay.
I hunt alone. Run away. Run away.
Here we go. 4 dominants again. Then next turn I got this, and then that. Not bad. That should be a beast.
long?
Ah well.
How long can this go on?
Yeah.
I hunt alone. Run away.
Alright. And next turn, if this lives, I can bone it. That's pretty good. Best totem. Oh, okay. That's fine. Alright. Boomer time. Massive. And if this dies, I get 6 rats. Or 5 rats if these 2 are still there, but whatever. Lots of rats. That's a cool interaction. Only 1 hyena then off that. Okay, fair enough. And I have game. Awesome.
Well played.
Oh, well, okay. Poor guy. Maybe he bricked or something. Who knows? Oh well, there we go. 2 wins and a loss so far. Alright. Alright. Against Warrior this time. Okay.
Victory or death. Let the hunt begin.
It's not bad, but I need my early game stuff. Okay, I like that. Not a 1-drop. Oh well. Let's see, this is Pirate Warrior, Tom Warrior, Control Warrior with the damagey nonsense. What are you? Okay, so it's not Tom Warrior, but still, that could be anything.
Such big teeth I have.
Yeah, I can play it in anything, so. So it could be Pirate, but could be Tom, or sorry, it could be Control. Who knows?
I'm a child.
Ah, Pirate Warrior. Okay, that's fine.
The better to eat you with.
Ah, sure, you take through your face, no bother. Pirates. Okay. Get rat back out. So you have to summon patches, that's always very sad when you play Pirate Warrior. You never want to do that.
Trust the pirate's code.
Well, I can't let that live, so... Ooh,
I hunt alone.
that's pretty lucky. That's a nice... Thank you, Jill McCaw. That'll go very nice later on, I'm sure.
Blood and plunder.
Yeah.
Clawing cutlass.
Okay, so I can do Galactic Crawler kill commands. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Oh, okay. Scoop. Okay, well. Yeah, Galactic Crawler. You see that as a power play, you don't want to keep going. Ah well. Alright, so that's the games. Those games that we did not disconnect halfway through. So went 3-1. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Hearthstone content, and then we'll of course be having more Yu-Gi-Oh! And Pokemon content coming very soon. Goodbye.